Welcome viewers, Zach here. Today I'm back for another tutorial video. We're not gaming this time, we have a tutorial here. So in this tutorial that I just compiled, I'm just going to show you guys the basics of Assetto Corsa mods, how to install them and stuff like that. So we're going to get started. But first I'm going to show you what you need to use. So first, obviously, you need the game Assetto Corsa, which you can buy on Steam, and you're going to need Content Manager, and there is a detail you need to pay attention to. So you can get it through here, assettocorsa.club, obviously. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down, and here it tells you to download the light version. So this is the free version, but it's preferable to get the full version, because with the full version you can actually download the mods and stuff. Obviously you have to pay at least $3, but it really ain't that much, and it's kind of $3 well spent, I'd say, because I have it myself and it's been really great so far. So okay, so what we want to do is, as soon as you've paid it, obviously it will give you the download link. You just download it and you go here. Okay, obviously when you download the light version, you're gonna need to activate a code, so do pay attention to that. So yeah, by the way, when you download the Content Manager, and if you have paid for the full version, you need to make sure that you because you'll be given a code and you need to actually enter this code so you actually get the full version. So make sure to keep that in mind. Okay, so now here I've got the full version in front of me. It should look like this. All tabs should be available and stuff like that. So here you've got mods. These are mods that I'm currently using. So what you want to do first is you want to go to get new mods, and over here you have some websites that you can go to. There are many choices of websites you can choose from, but I'm going to show you guys the ones I would recommend the most. So first it's Assetto Land, so you can click that, and you can choose it from here. Obviously there's another tab here. I'm gonna go to this one, Assetto Land, and this one has literally there's probably thousands of cars in there to choose from. As you can see here, you've got all these brands and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys first how to choose, like how to download a car. So let's say, for example, let's choose a Chevrolet, and yeah, here you've got all the cars that they have available. So let's say I wanted to download, let's say this Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. So you want to do is you want to click this button here, and what you'll see is here you've got this green arrow button thing. You want to click that, and you're going to wait for this to download. Okay, so it might ask you something like, it might show you some files and ask you if this should be installed as mod as well. I'd recommend just to tick that. You click install. So as soon as you click install, all its files will be installed, and it tells you here successfully installed. You want to go back to cars over here, and you want to click all, and if we scroll down here, I believe it was, yeah, I think this is the one we downloaded. Yeah, it was ZL1. I don't have any other ZL1, so yeah, this is your car here, obviously. Now I will show you probably the best place to get the tracks. So sim tracks, you can get some tracks here and there, but I'm not sure there's a lot you can get from there. But for me so far, I prefer going to assettocorsa.club, which is, I think this is like the original mod website. So here you've got all these cars, and you have tracks as well. But one mod I would also recommend is, if I press Honda here, the Honda Racing Lawnmower. Yeah, this is a beast. Bruh. And it does have a lot of wheel spin. It's pretty hard to control, but it's such a fun car. So I would recommend getting this one. Okay, if you click tracks, obviously you've got all these choices available. They don't have all the tracks, but if you want to see if they do have a specific track, you can always check. Well, anyways, if you're searching for a track but you don't know what you want to get, you have all these choices over here. So But we're gonna choose one out of random, to be honest. Just choose a random one here. We'll get the Rome Grand Prix thingy. I think this is the Formula E circuit, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so what you want to do is, for these ones specifically, I think these are the easiest one to install because you can just click here. Here you got the little content manager logo. It will show you this page sometime, but here, as you can see, you've got that green thing. You want to click that, and you can see here it's downloading your circuit. Over here, just wait the thing. You want to click that plus button, and then you want to click install. So you want to make sure everything's ticked, everything is fine. So according to this, our track should be there. So I'm gonna quickly confirm that. There it is. You can click, and then you can see the full circuit here. And yeah. Also, I got Daytona as well. There you go, Daytona, and then you have the two circuits. So you have the full circuit, and then you have the road course. And one last thing is, the best place to get Formula 1 cars and generally racing cars is probably going to be here. Or here you have NASCAR vehicles, but if you go home to the home page, yeah, you generally have these cars here. Obviously these do cost, but they're really good quality mods, I'd say. You can even tell by the picture, or maybe because they're new or something like that. Yeah, some of them are free. For example, the 2018, 2017 Formula 2, if you guys want to try that, and they also have some deals from time to time. I have the Formula Hybrid 2017. It's pretty okay. Yeah. Well, in general, the mods do work. You can also, the thing is, if you don't find what you're looking for, you can always look through these pages and just see if you can, maybe if you can find a specific mod. You know, there are other ways to get mods, like people just download them from online. But I think the content manager is the easiest way to download your mods. Well, for me at least. Well, that's everything you need to know. This is like the basics you need to know about how to use content manager, how to easily download mods, and stuff like that. Anyways, that's gonna be it today. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Do make sure to like and subscribe. Maybe recommend to a friend who might need to know about this, you know, stuff like that. And yeah, that's it. Bye.